Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by learning and feeling core hand shapes, so your hands become predictable tools. Practice A, B, C, flat, 1 and 5 repeatedly. Once done, focus on palm orientation and dominant hand stability because clarity comes from consistent shape and angle. Make sure to train in front of a mirror for immediate feedback. Short 10-15-minute daily drills beat occasional long sessions. By drilling these prerequisites, you set a solid base for combining movement and facial grammar in the next steps. You now combine movement with facial grammar to build meaningful phrases. Start by linking 2 to 3 signs and watch the path your hand travels. Once done, layer in facial expression and head tilt because they change the sentence type. Question, emphasis, negation. Make sure to practice slowly at about 60% speed to internalize transitions, then increase to a natural pace. Record yourself and compare to native signers. This detailed execution builds fluency and prevents sloppy hand shapes from breaking comprehension. You finish by polishing and testing in real interaction. Practice with a native signer or language partner weekly to get honest feedback. Once done, target corrections on hand shape accuracy, timing, and facial cues because those are the usual breakdown points. Make sure to simplify your signing and slow your rate if you encounter misunderstandings. Reducing complexity reveals which element failed. A key troubleshooting tip: if comprehension fails, repeat with clearer hand shape and exaggerated facial grammar. Then normalize once understood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.